I switch up to the next multi-selector bank, and here I have done different shapes. I manipulate this Merkaba shape to another shape, and this is the master of one of this shape with the background also. This is without of a background, a little bit similar, a little bit easier. This is more easier, and this is the, with no coloring system, with the default texture of Coollab. And here are another form what I have built out of this Merkaba. What is was really easy to build it. This is the same, but with a blank background, also with masking the background, and this is with again with the easy color ramp, the same, and here with internal default texture system of Coollab. And now we change to the next, and by the next I have done some different patterns more, and we must start here of the first one, and I go back by the time node a bit, so you can see one of this pattern what I have built it, and then another what I have done with on of my own nodes. I built a own kaleidoscope. This is a very little bit special kaleidoscope. It's made of ESF shader from Wheatfox, and then we have this one. What is, you can see these are 2 times in herself multiplicated that, and then another pattern form is this pattern form what you can use as a pattern. You can play this solo or also as a background, just you can take down the brilliance or transparency a bit and use it just as a background for another 3D element in the foreground. And also this is a different pattern, a 2D pattern, but build it with this 3D Merkaba stuff in the main. This is the last of these patterns what I have built it also. And here we are seeing that main shape again with this high powered 3D render. Then we have 2 presets of the Merkaba again here for last view out, and I show you maybe for short in full screen again by Arena Playouts. Now you can hear the ventilators of the GPU, but this is not so bad. It works again. You can see the frame rate is okay for that pattern, and I switch to another pattern, but I'm starting over by the, so you can see that also a bit in full screen with my nice logo and framing. I love this to do by framing for demonstrations or stuff like that. And we can go back, and for last time I show you maybe this one, it looks nice. So it's also as a pattern, and So this was that thing, and again for last time. Here you can find every of these animation things. Also one that I wasn't show you here, another one what I wasn't show you, and you can see how I build it that in details. And so for you, you can copy that also and use that. It's free for to use everything what I built it here. And I hope you have fun and can use that for your works, for your VJing works and stuff like that. And you love my Merkaba 3D shape. You can download it that by my own GitHub, and I hope you will look of other tutorials and example shows of that kind. So we stop it here and goodbye.